Hey Party listeners, I am Rayyan and today we are cracking the code on the one of the pillars of object-oriented programming, inheritance. Don't worry, no family drama involved, and I promise this explanation will be shorter than a WhatsApp up line over who gets grandma's jewelry. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will not only understand inheritance but also why every child class secretly whispers thanks dad, I mean base class. Okay, so now let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. Guys, let's talk about in the name what are name attributes of exception object, chain exception and trayback objects in Python object oriented programming. So, Python provides a robust support for exception handling and object-oriented programming means in OOP. Now, here is give me the one detailed explanation with examples. First, name attributes of exception objects. Exception objects have a standard name, attributes like args, str, and a custom attributes that can be added in user-defined exceptions. This one example it is showing you. So let's copy this example and let's run this example. First of all, create a new window, and then I'm creating a one file by the name of index.py, and I'm saving this file in my documents and paste it. Here in the fourth line here we create a one custom attribute, save and run. So now it is giving me the output should be error something went wrong code 404. Why? Because in the 7th line I write raise custom error something went wrong 404. So that's why it give me this type of an output. And this is one example of the name attributes of exception objects. Now, number 2 is come like chained exceptions. Chain exceptions help trace the root cause of an error, and it can using underscore underscore cause underscore underscore or underscore 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 context or underscore underscore attributes. This the raise from syntax explicitly specifies the cause. So let's show you this code. So let's copy this and let's paste it. Save it and then run it. So the output will be coming catch value error, invalid value encountered at original cost division by 0. Why it is giving me like this? Like I have told you here, chain exceptions help trace the root cause of an error using the cause or context attributes. The raise from syntax explicitly specifies the cause. So that's why it is giving me this type of an output. And here I write like invalid value encountered and I write catch value error, and here I write like original cost. So that's why to give me the output. In the number 3, there is come like trayback objects of exception. Trayback objects represent the stack at the point where an exception occurred. They can be accessed using the SYS module or through exception handling. Okay, now this one code example it is showing you of the trayback. Okay, so let's run this example, and now here I write like trayback details and exception. So output is give me now it give me exception division by 0. Why does it give me this type of an output exception division by 0? Because like I have told you here, trayback object represent a stack at point where an exception occurred. They can be accessed using the SYS module or through exception handling. And why they give me like this? Because I write here 1 divided by 0. If I write 1 divided by 5, so it not give me the error. Because this is the right thing. Because the 1 is divided by 5. But 1 divided by 0 it is the wrong. So that's why it give me the like this type of one thing it is giving me. Now, object-oriented programming exception handling in Python. You can define custom exception and hierarchies using path OOP principles to make your exception more meaningful and structured. Now, this one example it is showing you. So let's run this example. So this is one example. So save it and run it. So it is giving me indentation error like this. Okay. So why it give me like this? Because like I have told you here, you can define custom exception hierarchies using object-oriented programming principles to make your exceptions more meaningful and structured. Now, let's go on it here. Now, the approach demonstrates the power of combining the OOP with Python exception handling capabilities. So if you do not write this code, so let me tell you how to write this code. So to write this code, you only want to do it. First of all, I am doing the side by side, so it will be show you clear. Okay. So first of all, create a one class by the name of application error. Then here you write exception in it. Then here you write a one define a comment. If you want to define a comment, so you define. If you do not define a comment, so you do not define. Base class for application related errors dot. Now I'm writing here pass class database and then error application error. Now here I'm writing here dev init self comma message comma db underscore name. Now here I am defining super again, then I am writing dot init. First of all underscore init and then underscore, then here you write message. Then self dot db, then underscore name equals to db underscore name. Then right here, now here you write class network error. Then right here application error. Now when you define it, write here dev init self comma message comma host. Now here you write super dot init message self dot host equals to host. Right here try raise database error unable to connect to the data base. Then write here test db. Now when you define it, write here accept application error se and then write here print f application error se, and then when you define it like that, then you only want to do it, I think so, you write here curly brackets. Okay, perfect. Now write here this. Now perfect. Now you only want to do it when you do this, so you only write here if is instance e comma database error and then write here print f write here data base and then write here e dot db underscore name. Now perfect. Now let's save the code and run it, so it will give me the same output. Here you can see it. So like that, you will in today's video you will learn about in the Python what is the name attributes of exception object and chain exceptions and traceback objects in Python object oriented programming. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos of the Python or in object oriented programming. And this is the last video of in this year from the tomorrow, but the new year is starting, and from the tomorrow the new video has been coming. Okay, so ready for it. So this is our last video of this 2024 year, so we are very sad, but anyways, so now I meet you next class, and then next very amazing class like that type of videos of it. So now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. Well folks, that how inheritance works in Python. It's like inheriting your dad's sense of humor, but this with none of dad jokes. You will get all benefits without the bad puns. So just like a child inherits traits from their parent classes, in Python can inherit methods and attributes from other classes. It's a great way to save tax and avoid reinventing the wheel, especially when you are working on a bigger project. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and drop your any questions in the comments below. And make sure you are subscribed because we are got more OOP magic coming your way. Until next time, don't forget to inherit good coding practices and leave those bad habits behind. Happy coding and see you in the next one.